Hello! I am so excited to take you on today's adventure, which is making protein pancakes, protein pumpkin pancakes. So there's two reasons for this. One is I'm on a quest to eat healthier breakfasts. If left to my own devices, I would eat bagels and cream cheese every single day for breakfast for the rest of my life, and that's probably not the healthiest thing to do. And two, my doctor said I needed to get more protein in my diet, so I stumbled on a recipe that was easy to add protein to the pancake recipe, so I thought that was a win. I'm going to link the original recipe that I was inspired by below, and it's a vegan recipe. So you can see the original, and I'll also include all the ingredients for my version, which is not vegan, but I've added stuff, and then you can do it how you want. So let's get started with pumpkin protein pancakes. To start, we're going to put half a cup of pumpkin puree, just from a can. One cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you would like. We'll do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we'll whisk that together. Let's put that to the side, and we'll do the dry ingredients. I've already put 1 cup of self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose along with a combination of baking soda and baking powder if you want. And I'll leave that combination below, the ratios below. I'm going to add 2 scoops of protein powder because that's what my serving size says. And our protein powder is chocolate, so that's a bonus. These are going to be chocolate pumpkin pancakes. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt because, one, I feel like it needs it for the flavor. I know there's salt in self-rising flour, but it needed extra flavor, and I'm supposed to be getting enough salt, so bonus. And we'll do a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I just stir the dry ingredients together so it's well distributed. Now before I mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, I'm going to turn on the stove. I have butter and some vegetable oil in a pan, but you can easily use coconut oil and you can make it vegan. And then just gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And you're going to stir it just until it's blended, because you don't want to overmix pancake batter. Now while that butter and oil is heating, I'm going to get my little pancake station ready, because I am going to freeze these guys. So I'm going to layer them in some wax paper so they're easy to pull out of the freezer and heat up in the microwave. They freeze really well. Okay, I think we're ready to cook the first batch of pancakes. And this batter is kind of thick, but I like it that way. If you want a thinner batter, you'll want to add more liquid. But I'm kind of mushing my pancakes down a little bit so they're not so thick because they do rise. Last time I made these, I put apple in the mix, and it was pumpkin apple. That was really good too, just diced apples. And I don't think that pan was quite hot enough, but we'll let that cook for a bit and then we'll flip them over. I think I will add a few chocolate chips to these because why not, right? I have been getting about 8 or 9 pancakes out of this recipe. Obviously you'll get more if you add more liquid. Also, you can easily substitute the pumpkin for a mashed banana. So just get a large banana, mash it, and use that instead of the pumpkin when you do all the liquid stuff at the beginning. We almost have it. They're almost done. So we're going to end the video and I'll probably show you a picture of our stack of pancakes. We'll see. I like to eat mine with butter and Nutella. I really like Nutella with the pumpkin pancakes. And our little pancakes are almost done. I think I got 8 pancakes out of this one. I probably should have added some more liquid to the batter. It was a little thicker, I think, because last time I added the apple, that added some liquid to it. So maybe next time I'll add a little bit more than 1 cup of milk, and then it should be a little bit looser. And that means it will go a little bit further too, so that's a bonus. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe to our channel so we can grow it and spread our fun adventures with the world. I hope you have a great day. See you later.